Google Maps was designed to show the world. But what happens when it shows something it wasn't supposed to? For years, users have spotted strange structures, blurred locations, blacked out zones, and objects that disappear overnight. Some were explained. Many were quietly removed. Tonight, we uncover the moments when Google Maps accidentally showed something hidden, and why those images vanished. Google Maps is one of the most powerful mapping tools ever created. Satellites orbit the planet, capturing images of cities, deserts, oceans, and remote corners of Earth that most humans will never see in person. Billions rely on it daily, trusting that what they see reflects reality. But over the years, users began noticing things that didn't belong. Entire areas blurred beyond recognition. Strange geometric shapes in deserts. Unmarked facilities appearing for months, then suddenly erased. At first, these anomalies were dismissed as glitches, satellite errors, image stitching problems. But patterns began to emerge. Certain locations were consistently altered: military bases, remote islands, underground entrances, and restricted research zones. In some cases, users documented images before they disappeared. Screenshots circulated showing massive rectangular structures buried in sand, unusual circular formations in icy regions, and what appeared to be entrances cut directly into mountainsides. Why blur them at all? Governments quickly responded that sensitive locations must be protected for national security. But that explanation raised a deeper question. If these places are so sensitive, why were they visible in the first place? Former mapping engineers have hinted that Google relies on a mix of public satellite data and government-approved imagery. What slips through is not intentional, but when it does, it reveals brief windows into areas normally hidden from civilian eyes. One of the most unsettling discoveries came from remote ocean regions. Users reported grid-like patterns beneath the sea, straight lines and angles inconsistent with natural geology. Some claimed these resembled roads or structures. Shortly after these images went viral, they were updated, smoothed, or removed. Then there are the black zones. Entire regions rendered at lower resolution than surrounding areas. No landmarks, no detail, just emptiness. Why hide emptiness? Critics argue that these are data gaps. Conspiracy researchers argue otherwise, suggesting underground facilities, experimental sites, or infrastructure not meant for public awareness. What makes Google Maps unique is its scale. No single government controls it fully, yet many influence what is shown. That tension creates cracks. And sometimes something leaks through. And when it does, it doesn't stay visible for long. The most chilling part isn't what Google Maps is shown. It's how quickly it disappears. As if someone is watching. Google Maps was meant to help us navigate the world. But sometimes it shows us how much of it we're not meant to see. This is Mental Documentary. If this documentary made you question what's hidden in plain sight, subscribe, like, and stay curious. Because not everything on the map was meant for you.